All right, today I'm taking the time to upgrade my wood stove. I need to double the floor heat on this because these guys live in my shop. We're about to get minus 35, minus 40. And I've got a little stove, and if we take a quick look, I've got a big area to keep warm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount a blower, and then I'm going to add side ventilation ducts so it blows straight down onto the floor and keeps my concrete warm. So I'll show you what I'm doing here. All right, I've made my marks here. What I'm going to do is drill a pilot hole here with this, and then I'm going to jump up to this size bit, and then I will mark out the sides, and I'll zip disc slots, and then I'll bend her back. So here we go. All right, I've made my marks. I'm going to zip cut up to the top, and then the other side, zip cut it up, and then I will take my hammer and I will punch that thing up and get my air down I'm after. Okay, my slots are cut. Now I'm gonna tap it up using my bar and my hammer. I don't have a tripod, so this is what we got. I'm gonna hammer it all the way up until it comes up to an angle about like that, and it'll catch the air and force it out the side. All right, I've got my slots cut, and you can see how it's bent up, folded up. There's still some air that can get past it. We're not looking for a ton of air out the bottom, but some, creating a draft, heating up the area around there, just getting air moving. Like that stove, I can get it really, really hot, but push the air out through the whole setup, this is going to definitely help. So I'm going to start putting things back together, mount the blower motor, and I'll show you how it works. Well, I got the blower motor installed. It seems to be heating the floor really nice. The dogs are chilling. They're warming up. They're loving it. So yeah, now I can just feel the air movement. It's good. So there's my blower motor, a little intake pipe. Now we got a lot of hot air coming through there. And we got hot air coming through the bottom. It's not a whole lot, but it's enough just to get some heat moving sideways and keep the floor nice and warm, keep my babies nice and warm. And yeah, it's a success. I'm gonna do one more update here once the weather hits minus 30, and we'll see if this actually made the difference that I want. All right, so we're 5 days into our cold snap, minus 30s up to minus 40. It's crazy cold. Everything's done pretty well. The dogs are chilling, or actually they're just enjoying the heat. So as long as I keep that fire stoked up, boy, it moves the air. I can heat my shop up twice as fast, and I can get it hotter in here. So yeah, so I hope that helps. So don't be shy to hook up a fan. A lot of wood stoves come with a blower motor, and if you're heating a big space, it's amazing what you can do if you can get the air moving around. And the type of wood you use, there's a whole bunch of little tricks you can use. I'm going to do a 5-trick video on how to make some real heat. So yeah, right now it's minus 38 outside, and it is cooking in here.